Hello everyone, I'm Trupal Lukani and today I will be showing you how can you make an alarm clock with GUI with Python. It's a very simple code. So starting we will be importing some libraries. First is play sound, second is Tinker. This star will import every library from linker, then win10 toast, date time and time. We will be importing these libraries. Then this is define alarm, set alarm. This is an argument and this is a function. This function is the main core of our code. This is the toast notifier. It will be used to initialize the toast function. And this is the while loop. This is an infinite loop. And this is time dot sleep 1. Basically this this function will increase our time by 1 second. This date time dot now is used to get the current time of the our system. And now date time dot strf time, this is the format of how we will get the time. Then print now, we will be printing the time in our terminal just to show this is working. And this is an condition if now is equal to set alarm. Now this set alarm is a variable defined here in get value function. We will be talking about it later. And if this will be equal, our terminal will show alarm clock and show toast and duration will be 1 second and our system will play alarm. And this alarm.mp3 we will have to uh, put in our folder. We can download, you can download any mp3 or music file from internet. Now this get value function basically gets the value our system updates every time. And this alarm function is is used to set alarm. We pass the argument of set alarm in our function. We saw that earlier. Okay. Then we will have to write this root equal to 2tk and root equal to geometry. This is where from our GUI starts. Geometry, let me show you. This is the name. Root equal to geometry 190 cross 130. This is the x and y axis of our system GUI. X and y. Then this is the label text 24 hour minute second. We are showing this here. And this is the position of this text. And this is also the showing text. We are showing this set time. And this is the font of this text, and this is the x and y coordinate of where we are placing this. Then we are making 3 entry variables. These are hour, minute and second. Basically we can enter the variables and these variables are getting the value. Then this is the widgets. These you can see the blank screen, these 3 for the entering time. This is the hour, minute and second. We are defining the where we will be getting these values. This grayish color with this 4 and x and y coordinates of where we want to place this under this hour, minute and second. Then this is the set alarm submit button. We have named set alarm width and command get value. We get value, you can see these function defined. We get value here, and this is the x and y coordinate. And root main loop, we can this without this our program will not initialize, so we have to write this here. So we will be seeing a demo. Let me show you. Currently our system time is 14:11. We set it to 14:12 and 0. Okay, now we will wait for some time. You can see the time here. Let me update it early. Okay, it is getting an error. Wait, 59. 10. Set it to. This is not functioning. Okay. It's not working. Let me set it some another time. Second is 0. Okay. So you can listen the alarm, right? So let me close it. I don't know why I'm getting this error. Okay, so this was a simple code for our alarm clock, and I have mentioned the GitHub link in the description. I'm Trupalukani, and thanks a lot for watching this video.